In your Globe Smart Outdoor Wall Mount box, you will find the Smart Wall Mount, the mounting accessories, and your instruction sheet. To get started, download the Globe Suite app. Go to the App Store or Google Play and search for Globe Suite. Download the app, open it, and follow the on-screen instructions to log in or register. If prompted, allow Globe Suite to send notifications to your smartphone or tablet. To install your smart device, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Then, release the mounting plate from the fixture by removing the 2 decorative nuts and washers and setting them aside momentarily. From the electrical panel, turn off the power and consult a qualified electrician as needed. Using the included mounting screws, secure the mounting plate to the junction box. For the fixture to sit straight, the mounting bracket must be level when installed. Once secured, hook the fixture's safety cable onto the mounting plate and let the fixture hang in place. Connect the junction box's wires to the fixture wires with the easy connectors. The hot black wire from your junction box to the fixture's black wire, the neutral white wire to the fixture's white wire, and the ground wire to the fixture's ground wire. Then, tuck the wiring into the junction box. Next, raise the fixture and align the canopy holes to the mounting plate screws. Secure the fixture by reinstalling the previously removed washers and decorative nuts. Some models may have different installation procedures. Proceed with the installation as shown. Once installed, turn the power back on from the electrical panel. Turn the switch on. The light should start pulsing automatically. If it does not, you can manually put it into pairing mode. Turn the power on and off 5 times using your switch. Once the light is pulsing, this means your light is in pairing mode and is ready to connect. To connect to your smart device, ensure you are connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and that your Bluetooth is turned on. In the Globe Suite app, choose Add Device or tap the plus sign in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Tap Add Device. Device discovery launches automatically on the pairing screen. Once your smart product appears, tap Add. On the next screen, tap the plus button on the device card. When prompted, you can pair directly to Wi-Fi by entering your Wi-Fi name and password, then tapping Next. Or, if your Wi-Fi is unstable, you can tap Skip and Pair via Bluetooth instead. On the Bluetooth pop-up, tap Next. Wait a few moments for the device to connect. When the green check mark appears next to your device, this means your device has been successfully added. Tap Done. You will automatically be brought to your device's main screen. Tap the Home button in the top left-hand corner to return to the Globe Suite main screen. If you used the Bluetooth pairing method, tap the pop-up at the top of your screen to connect your device to the Wi-Fi now. If you do not connect to Wi-Fi, you will only be able to control your device locally. Tap Set Now. When prompted, enter your Wi-Fi name and password. Tap Next. Wait a few moments for the device to connect. When the green check mark appears next to your device, this means your device has been successfully added. Tap Done. You can now control your smart device directly from the Globe Suite app. On the Globe Suite home screen, select your smart light to access its controls. Tap the power button at the bottom of your screen to turn the light on or off. With the white tab selected, choose your desired white light from the wheel or using one of the preset options. Adjust the brightness as desired using the slider. To switch your light from white to color, select the Color tab at the top of your screen. Choose from a spectrum of RGB color options using the wheel or the preset options. You can also adjust the brightness using the slider. Select the Mood tab at the top of your screen to access active lighting options. Use one of the customizable preset moods or tap Add a new mood to create your own. To explore automatic lighting routines, choose Routine at the bottom of your screen. Choose from a variety of preset routines designed for easy, everyday household needs. Each routine is unique and can be customized to your liking. Use the option Create a Custom Schedule to create additional routines that fit your specific needs. Use the timer at the top of the Routines panel to set a countdown for your light to turn on or off. In the top right-hand corner, tap the gear icon to access the device settings. Tap Power On Behavior, then select the desired option for the state of the device when it is reconnected to a power source after an unexpected power outage. If you prefer for the light to remain off, enable Stay Off using the toggle. Tap the back button twice to return to the main routines panel. Connect your smart light with a voice assistant and control your device even when you don't have your phone or tablet. Hey Google, Amazon Alexa, and SmartThings can be connected directly through your Globe Suite profile, while Siri commands are created within SmartScenes. To pair your device, go to your profile. Then select the voice assistant you would like to link your device to and connect your account to the Globe Suite app. Discover all these features and more with Globe Suite and explore the rest of the smart home collection. Globe, smart home made easy.